Okay, so we're starting our journey through the AZ 900 Fundamentals exam with Learning Part 1, and it's all about cloud concepts. This is really where we build a foundational understanding of what the cloud is before diving into specifics about Microsoft Azure. We'll be talking about things like what makes cloud computing different from traditional IT, exploring various cloud service models, think infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, and looking at the different types of clouds out there. Public, private, and hybrid. It's essential to grasp these core ideas because they'll be referenced throughout the rest of the course. We'll also discuss cloud benefits like high availability, scalability, elasticity, agility, and cost savings, which are all major reasons organizations are moving to the cloud. So let's jump in and demystify what this whole cloud thing is all about. Okay, so let's talk about how we're going to approach this material. We have a pretty clear learning path laid out for us, and I want to give you an overview of what to expect. Think of it as a roadmap for the course. We'll be moving through these topics in a specific order, building on each concept as we go.